Can you smile for the camera? Just give them that more of that kind of mysterious thing, huh?
This is a first on the hard truth. You're seeing it here for the first time. I will not curse once this episode. You'll watch in honor of Jasper. No bad words. No potty mouth. Okay? Give me skin. All right. We got a deal. Where's the cabbage? The cruciferous. See? He knew the word cruciferous. You don't even know that word. What's up, everybody? Coming to you live and direct from Bleecker Street. CBGB's is right up the block. Well, John Varvatos now, making punk movies, documentaries about punk, selling CBGB shirts for $100 down the road. This is my boy's place, Josh Griffiths from Clockwork Jiu-Jitsu, and we are making what I refer to as the Ironman Stew. That helps you recover quicker. It's a diet that fights inflammation. It's a diet that gives you insane amounts of energy. So the people that's in the blue zones all over the world that live the longest and are the most active centurions, guess what? They don't eat meat. Take a look at the colors of this stuff. I'm purposely not cursing, just so you know. I got to remind you that. If you're looking for F-bombs and SHITs and mother effers, you ain't getting them today. This is all rated G. I love my brother and sister over here, Josh and Chantel. So look at the colors of this food. Kale. These all have the ability to fight disease in the body. You got sweet potatoes, right? Dude, glycogen, carrots, zucchini, broccoli, all of it organic, 100%. Every freaking month it's a new, the carnivore diet. Just eat nothing but meat and eggs. Guess what? The dude who's propagating that whole thing, low testosterone. Look at him. He looks like crap. I'm not even going to say his name. He knows who he is. That's not a healthy diet. I did Joe Rogan's podcast, episode 1152. Even he said that guy's an idiot and he's unhealthy. You can't take things to the extreme. Whole wheat pastry flour, all organic. A little bit of white flour, baking soda, maple syrup. And we're going to get these into the oven. All right? So you'll see how this is going to come out. This is going to be dope. I'm doing this, and you guys don't know about cooking in cast iron. That's what you should be doing. You don't use this stuff with the non-stick on it and all this crap. Skillets, cast iron skillets is the way to go. And as a matter of fact, it releases iron into the food as it's cooked. So it's definitely the optimal way to go on cooking. So we got our batter going for the 2 cornbreads. And we want to make sure, I'm going to give you the recipe for 1 cornbread. But we got some gavones up in here. These guys that do jiu-jitsu, you know, they want to eat everything. So shake it up nice. Yeah, Jasper. Jasper's helping me out with the noise over there. All right, so we got 2 cornbreads ready to go. And we're going to set these aside. And I'm going to get my stew going. Then I'm going to spark my rice. And you're going to see it's all a process. You see what I do. And I tell you guys every time. Everything measured out. Everything ready to go. You don't have a conniption in the kitchen. You don't want agita. You get all your stuff laid out, your measurements and everything correct, and then you just gotta go. So we got 2 cornbreads. Look at that. I'll slap you with a freaking frying pan upside your head. It's a bit of a different vibe in here. I promise not to curse. That was the prerequisite. Here's another word for you to look up. Prerequisite was I wasn't gonna curse, and I let one slip. I owe him $1. Every curse is $1. So showing you guys, when you got kids around, you don't use potty mouth. We're getting our business started. So we put in our oil. I'm not against oil. I don't use that much for this whole stew. 3 tablespoons of oil. So the first thing we want to do is I switched out. I used sweet potatoes. I like the glycogen. You can use white potatoes too. So the first thing you do, you put your sweet potatoes and your thyme and I'm going to give you guys the whole recipe so you don't have to sweat it. So when somebody brings me out a dish that has sweet potatoes in it or carrots or potatoes and they're not cooked, I want to smack the freaking guy in the head. You got to make sure you do your food right. You get one shot. That's it. If you mess up, I ain't coming back to your restaurant.
Good vibes.
Look at all those veggies in there, bro.
Live your life and love your life, for that we say. God down in a Babylon, we not take no prisoners, no dirt. Fortunate youth and Albatross, you tell them say. See John, you got to live life.
Get in there. We're letting all of our veggies get tender now.
Attention.
Everything about vegetables and cooking plant-based is the spices that you use. It's making all this stuff taste good. This is a cup of beans, and soak them. You cook them overnight, set them aside, and then you cook them down. So look, I'm gonna show you one bean. This is already soft. This is already cooked. So you add that. Boom! And Mongazi ain't got nothing on me, all right? Besides, he makes disgusting food. 25 minutes on the cornbread at 350. Boom. And I always tell you guys, the 350's in the back to the middle, not the front. All right? That's where the heat is. Yeah, see? So this is like beef. You want beef stew? Get beef stew that don't give you a heart attack. A freaking triple bypass. This is plant-based, non-genetically modified. Can you smell that? Oh my God, dude. This is heaven, bro. And here's the best thing. We didn't have to kill no animals. No cute little baby cows. We didn't have to ruin the environment, cut down trees. You mamalukes who keep saying, but you cut down forests to graze for the soy. Listen, almost 90% of that soy goes to feed animals. All right? So they're tearing down the vital rainforest to graze animals and grow soybeans to feed animals. So you don't need to do that. Look at this. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at this. You smell that? I'll come back when he's able to clean pots and pans. Look at him. Look at that face. What do you got on that face? Hey, come here. You want to come up to Uncle John? Come here. Let me see. We'll bring you over to Mommy. You got a spirulina smoothie? Where's the good food? Over here? Is the good food over here? Am I making you dinner? That's right. Let's go say hello to Mommy. Who's your favorite band? Ramones. Woo! We taught the brat. We taught the brat with a baseball bat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh oh. See, when you do a stew, all the nutrients that's cooked out of here is ending up in the water. We're not losing any of the vital nutrients of these vegetables. It's all going to be reabsorbed in the food. So that's what's up. We got it going, man. This is going to be a thick stew. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to make a thick sauce. You're going to love it. So stay tuned. We're cooking over here. Listen, there's tons of recipes out there. Even today, I posted a freaking juice. This is what people are dealing with this freaking computer stuff. I post a juice. I say, here's the juice. Every freaking thing that was in the juice, there was a picture of it. And somebody writes me and say, hey, bro, what's in the juice? You know what I said? I don't know. Maybe I'll post a photo of all the fruits and vegetables that's in the juice. How about that? Come on, man. use your freaking scruples, all right? Alkalinity is important. Alkalinity comes from a plant-based diet. If you're eating an acidic diet of eggs, meat, cheese, dairy, all this nonsense, you're causing an acidic condition in the body. That's right for cancer. See, look. See how it's getting brown? We're toasting the flour. So this is going to be our mixture. We're going to take all the spice water and all of that. Watch what I do. And then we're going to pour it back into the stew. And it's going to make the stew real thick.
I'm learning a lot of things.
See, so look at this. We are actually frying the spices into that rice. Our stew is done. This all comes to a boil. All our spices are in there. We're going to bring this to a boil.
You got to live every day and always remember that each day you must live like a contender. Life and a program where you write on your agenda. Whether you're an offender, defender, the judgment is a blender. Telling the youth don't go astray. Different pattern night and day. Life and a granted, choose your way. Love is a padlock, life for the key.
Now, I got one more thing to say to you, Mama Luke's, before I get off of this. And that is this. Everyone always says, oh, I hear eating this way is so expensive. I'll just go to McDonald's and get myself a freaking 4 burgers and whatever for $20. Let me explain something to you. We got 5 grown-ass men, a woman, and a kid. And all of this could feed another 3 people. So that's... You can tell I'm not bad. 9 people for $80 I spent on this. And there's still stuff left over. All the tamari, all that stuff is so really, for $70, 9 people ate a 3-course freaking organic meal. So what are you complaining about? Learn something. Get off the freaking video games and start applying yourself. How's the food, guys?
Amazing.
Delicious.
Yo, yo, yo. You feel live your life and love your life, for that we say. God down in a Babylon, we not take no prisoners, no day. Fortunate youth and Albaros, you tell them say. Groundation. See, John.